In this video, I'll show you how to open up Microsoft Word in safe mode. But before I do, make sure to subscribe. First, make sure Microsoft Word is completely closed on your computer. Once you've closed it, press the Windows key and R together. This will open up the Run window. From here, you're going to type in the following: winword, followed by a space and a / safe. I'll put this in the description below. Once you've done that, click OK. This will begin to open up Microsoft Word in safe mode. To verify this, if you go to the top of the ribbon, it says Microsoft Word in brackets safe mode. For many of you, this window will appear. Just select Office Open XML formats, then click OK. From here, you can begin to open up a document that you think is causing you problems. And you may also notice that if it works in safe mode, it could be an add-in that's also causing you issues. So go ahead and click File, Open, and select the file that you think is causing you issues or an error. Once you're finished in safe mode, simply just click out. An additional way to open up Microsoft Word in safe mode is to select the Windows key at the bottom, type in Word, find the app, hold down your Control key on your keyboard, and double-click it. This will prompt this window to open. You're holding down the Control key. Do you want to start in safe mode? Click Yes. And as before, a new window will appear. Select Office Open XML formats, and then click OK. And now Word has been opened in safe mode. If this video helped you, click like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And if you want to learn more about troubleshooting problems in Word, then check out my website at www.wordmadeeasy.org. The link is in the description below.